Hi guys, it's me again, Chan. Welcome back to my channel, and yes, I'm back for another video. And for today, I'm so excited to share with you that I am currently here in Malaysia. So right now, we're staying here in Hotel Armada. So I will be staying here in Malaysia from today. Today is July 21 until on Monday, July 29. And this is for work. So yes, we will be having a program, a week-long program here in Malaysia. Just for today, we'll be staying here in Hotel Armada. Then tomorrow, we'll transfer to another hotel. I think it's Crystal Crown Hotel. It's just nearby as well. So, kaka-check-in lang namin. Again, thank you so much CPSC for this travel opportunity. I'm very excited and quite nervous because first time ko mag-travel alone. Well, technically not alone kasi may kasama naman akong faculty. It's just that mag-i-stay kasi ako dito until July 29. Originally, yung flight pabalik is July 27, but I requested to stay here in Malaysia until July 29. So, I will be the one covering my expenses from July 27 to July 29. But the ticket is already booked. I just needed to top up from the original amount na covered ng staff college. Then, I also booked a hotel from July 27 to July 29, but it's already settled. So, let's do a quick room tour. Let's go. So, upon entering the room, we have here the control for the aircon, the lights, and then on the right side we have here the power supply. Then we have laundry bag here, a blower, hotel slippers, then an empty one, and an empty one as well. This is my luggage. Thank you, Manga. I think I will not be unpacking kasi tomorrow lilipat lang din naman kami. And then, on this side, this is the restroom. Hi! So, this is the restroom. Then, yeah. It's very nice. At syempre, dahil Pinoy tayo, iuwi natin ito. And this is the shower area. What else? Then this is my bed. It's king sized. And then I have here a TV, working station, a small couch, a small table, and the view from my hotel room. So right now, I'll just settle down, take some rest kasi I didn't get enough sleep from last night. So far, ang ganda ng lighting dito. As in, oh my god. I like it. And additionally, I availed a SIM card through Klook. And I think mas practical siya kasi I just paid almost 500 pesos. And it's already 30 gig data, good for 30 days. It also has unlimited calls for local calls. Kasi kung mag-roaming ako through Globe, although for 10 days naman siya, and may 5 gig siya, I think it's enough naman when I roam around. Parang hindi lang siya practical in a sense na 800 pesos siya. Also, if ever we have free time, iikot din ako sa city. So, para madaling makipag-communicate. So yes, I'm not planning na mag-unpack. So, I just need to change my clothes into my pambahay clothes. I don't know if I still have energy to go out yet, but I already messaged one of the faculty because he's asking if I want to have my food. He'll buy it nearby. Although, I'm also thinking if magpapa-room service ako or lalabas. So, nag-message na ako sa kanya. I don't know if he received it, but yeah, hopefully. Alam niyo ba na ang baggage allowance namin is 20 kilos each. And then, yung luggage ko, it's almost 20 kilos. Although, hindi naman to lahat ay gamit ko. Kasi mayroong mga program materials dito. And hopefully, gumaan siya. Kasi noong unang nag-empake ako, wala namang malaman masyado yung kalahating portion ng maleta. So, hopefully, maging mas maluwag siya. So, I can buy pasalubong from Malaysia. Ngayon, tatawag lang ako kay mama. And, yeah, that's it for now. And I'll see you guys on the next part of this vlog. Good afternoon. It's currently 5:30 in the afternoon. Nagpe-prepare lang ako kasi may dinner daw kami at 6 o'clock in the evening at sa lobby kami magkikita-kita. So, yeah. That's what I'm doing. Tinatanggal ko lang yung tag kasi ngayon ko lang siya gagamitin. Actually, this is the tote bag inspired by Jace and Adeline sa Lost in Paradise. So, I'll update you guys later kung saan kami kakain. Hindi ko alam kung saan. Hey guys, so katapos na namin mag-dinner, kumain kami sa isang Indian restaurant. They let me try the food. It's really good, but I feel like my tummy would be upset or baka nabigla. Kaya I'm planning to buy something that's familiar. Fortunately, sarado na siya. Meron namang malapit na Petron doon sa hotel. So, bumili na lang ako ng Cadbury, Oreo, and milk. Pero, let's see kung mawawala naman yung lasa ng spices. Hindi ko lang alam, pero sakto lang naman yung spice niya. Hindi lang talaga ako siguro sanay. Pero masarap. So, ngayon babalik na tayo sa hotel. And, tatawid lang ako. Hi guys, good morning. So today is July 22 and it's currently 8:54 in the morning. And nakagayak naman ako, pati yung gamit ko. Magbe-breakfast lang ako. Since opening ng ICP, kailangan naka-white top, blazer, and then slacks. Although naka-slacks na ako and all, nandun na din yung white blouse ko. Kaya lang baka maging messy eater ako. So, ayun. Kaya I decided na mag-t-shirt na lang muna para safe tayo, walang mancha yung puti. Kasi wala akong dalang ibang white. Isa na lang and gagamitin ko siya sa national seminar on Thursday. So, yun. I'll see you guys later. Magbe-breakfast lang ako kasi alis daw kami ng hotel at 11:30 in the morning kasi lilipat naman kami doon sa venue talaga. And yun lang. Hi guys, it's currently 11:15 in the morning and na-move ulit ng 12 yung aming check-out. And yes, ito na yung outfit ko. Ito na yung sinuot ko para dire-diretso na ako magtrabaho later. Kasi kailangan ko pang ayusin yung mga program materials pagdating sa isang hotel. Maglalagay na lang ako ng blazer dito. And yeah, thank you so much Ate Meg for my nails. Hindi ko alam kung kita pero sana. Ito siya. May pa-heart and may pa-ribbon. So, nakarating na po siya na Malaysia. I'm just waiting na mag-12. Siguro mga 11:30 or 11:45. Bababa na ako para hindi naman nakakahiya na ako yung natay. I'll see you guys kapag nakalipat na sa isang hotel. Bye-bye! Hi guys, so tapos na yung first session nila. And right now, double check ko lang yung mga certificates para ipa-receive sa isang local coordinator. Kasi kailangan nilang papirmahan yun doon sa partner institution. And then, ayun. Double check ko lang siya kasi baka may mga kulang. So, yun. Double check lang din yung names para all good style. Then, maybe I'll see you guys again later. We'll be having dinner at around 7 p.m. and their session will resume at 8 o'clock in the evening. Right now, it's 6:10 in the evening. So, yan. Kailangan ko siyang tapusin para makatawag mo na ang kalamama. Tsaka, kibe, charot. Hi guys, good morning. It's currently 7:37 in the morning and magbe-breakfast lang ako. Medyo quick breakfast kasi 8:30 mag-start yung program and syempre kailangan nandun na tayo before 8:30 para makapag-set up ng ibang mga materials na kailangan. Although naibigay naman na namin kahapon. It's just that today, may mga darating na iba pang resource speakers. So, ayun. And for today, wala. Mag-a-assist lang ulit tayo. Sa Thursday pa tayo mag-MC. Hindi ko alam kung sino mag-picture doon. But yun. I'll see you guys later. Mag-breakfast lang ako. Hi guys! So, we finished early this afternoon. Natapos kami exactly 5:30. So, we still have time to rest bago mag-dinner ng 7 o'clock. And then, the next session will start at 8:30 until 10:30 in the evening. Pero sabi naman nila ay hindi naman na kailangan bumaba doon. Sila na daw ang bahala. So, tignan natin kung ano yung magiging final decision mamaya sa dinner. Pero as for me, hindi ko alam kung lalabas ako or matutulog ako if that happens na hindi na ako pabababain for the evening program kasi that would be workshop na lang naman. So, yon, magpapahinga muna ako, mag-charge ng phone, mag-upload ng photos para sa mga sessions today. I'll see you guys later. Malalaman natin kung kasama ba ako sa workshop or lalabas ba ako or magtutulog na lang ako. So, ito yung view ko from my room. Actually, ito din yung view doon sa training venue. Tapos, tanaw na yan mula dito. And basta, i-update ko kayo mamaya kasi kung lalabas man ako, baka sa mall lang or itatry ko pumunta sa city. Depende sa energy ko. So, I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye! So, we made it. Nakapag-explore na tayo. And currently, we're here in Petronas! So we finally made it dito sa Petronas Tower. So yun, babalik naman tayo dito. Talagang gusto ko lang siyang puntahan tonight kasi ilang araw na ako nandito. Hindi pa ako nakakaikot. Literal na yun lang yung pinuntahan ko ngayong gabi. Dapat doon lang ako sa Mid Valley Mall. Pero nakarating tayo sa Petronas. Mabuhay ang pagko-commute first time. Wala namang mahirap. Kasi nag-alerty lang ako. Ilang station lang. And I just paid 3 Malaysian ringgit. So mga nasa almost 40 pesos. So yun, babalik na ako doon. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye! Hi guys, so closing is done and today is the day 5 of ICP Malaysia, and since half day lang naman, lalabas daw kami this afternoon. We'll meet at the lobby around 2 PM. Maybe they're planning to go to the pavilion tsaka sa Bato Caves, but I think hindi nakasama si DJ sa Bato Caves kasi nakapunta na siya doon. So I'll just change my clothes na casual lang kasi ang init sa labas kung hindi ako magpapalit ng damit. Yun lang. And I'll see you guys later. Hopefully, magkasya pa yung memory ng phone ko for the photos and videos. Goodbye! We're currently here in Bukit Bintang. Nagpunta lang kami sa the pavilion. Picture and all window shopping. And nandito ngayon tayo sa pavilion. So, there's no need to go back here in Bato Caves kasi nakapunta na kami today. Dapat bukas ko pa siya pupuntahan or Sunday. But ngayon, maghahanap tayo ng souvenir na pwedeng mabili. Let's see kung meron. Para at least from Bato Caves siya. So today is July 27, it's Saturday, and we're checking out na dito sa Crystal Crown. So I'll be transferring to another hotel kung saan ako mag-stay until Monday before my flight. And it's currently 12:28, katatapos lang din ng training online. So yun, tignan natin kung saan tayo makapag-lunch. And I'll see you guys later kapag nakalipat ako. Bye bye! Guys, so now nakalipat na ako sa isang hotel dito sa Ramada Encore by Windham dito sa Chinatown, and maliit lang yung room kasi matutulog lang naman ako at gagala. So pagpasok ko ng pinto, eto na agad yung kama, and then may bedside table, lights, TV, and then mini coffee station, working station. Wala akong view, as in building lang. Anyway, kaka-on ko lang ng aircon, so medyo mainit pa. And then, this is the restroom. Hi! Then, shower area. This one. Yan lang. Ganun lang kaliit yung room. Ayan. So, magpapahinga lang ako para mamaya makaikot na tayo kasi sobrang lapit niya sa Central Market, Petaling Street, Jalan Calor. So, hindi ko pa alam kung saan ako iikot today. Titignan muna natin. Kasi, actually, meron talaga akong pin-repair na itinerary. Pero, dahil nakagala na kami kagabi, mababawasan na yung pupuntahan ko. So, I'll just take a rest. And I'll see you guys later. Hello guys! So, ayun. Nakapagpahinga na tayo saglit. Ayos na ng gamit. So, this afternoon, mag-iikot ako. Titignan natin kung ano yung mga pasalubong na pwede natin mabili. Tignan na lang natin kung ano. At kung saan tayo dadalhin ng ating mga paa. And I'll see you guys. Bye! Good morning! Today is Sunday, July 28. And hindi ko pa alam kung saan ako mapapadpa today, but hopefully, ma-update ko kayo. Kasi minsan, pag too much crowd, hindi ako nag-vlog, hindi ako nag-video. Souvenir day lang kahapon talaga. So, yan. I'll update you guys later. Bye-bye! Nandito tayo sa KLCC Park. Kanina nag-picture lang ulit ako sa may Petronas ng umaga kasi nga pumunta ako doon ng gabi na. So para medyo mas maliwanag. Plus, ayun siya. Yun. Tsaka medyo konti yung tao ng umaga kaysa sa gabi. So, yun lang. I'll see you guys later. We're currently here sa KL Tower. Oh, diba? Mahilo ka. Charay. So, ayun. May free shuttle sila from the entrance. And then 15 minutes yung interval. So, magpipicture lang tayo. At baka dito na rin mag-lunch. And yan. Picture taking. Hi guys! So today is July 29. It's currently 5 o'clock in the morning. And magcha-check out na tayo sa hotel para punta na tayo sa airport. Okay, so we're currently here. Nakapag-check-in na ako. Ngayon pupunta na tayo sa immigration. So we're done sa pag-check-in sa immigration and napupunta na tayo sa gate kung saan tayo mag-board. Not sure kung magbe-breakfast pa ako kasi sumubo naman ako ng konting kanin kanina kasi may natira pa ako pagkain kagabi.